Hey Jim, just wanted to give you this. I emailed it a couple of times, but nobody got back to me.
Oh, what's this? A love letter?
Ah, funny. No, man, it's actually my 2 weeks notice.
Oh, what? No way, really? Why?
You know what? The job is just not for me.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. We really enjoyed working with you.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
I'm just gonna check your records quickly before I put in your termination notice.
Okay, sounds good. Everything should be all clear anyways.
Not sure about that, Mike.
What do you mean?
Well, remember you broke down 2 weeks ago because of your tire explosion?
Yeah, why? That wasn't my fault.
I have to put that on your record as property damage.
Seriously?
Yeah, man, I'm sorry. This will come out of your last paycheck.
No, I don't agree to that. How much was it?
Can't say, I don't know. I gotta confirm with accounting.
What do you need to confirm with accounting?
I gotta confirm how much is coming off your pay.
Coming off my pay? Zero. I'm a company driver, my friend. I don't need to pay for any of this stuff.
We deem that as driver negligence, so it's gonna be coming out of your pay.
Your shit